Endocrine system and their glands are really important and a very scoring section. So some of the ones, there are numerous glands and numerous hormones that are released. So some of the important ones that we would do today is, to begin with, the first one, the pituitary gland. Now pituitary gland we can remember as flat pig. So F for FSH hormone, then L for LH, A for ACTH, T for TSH, thyroid stimulating, then you have P for PRL and G for growth hormone. So these are the hormones being released by pituitary. Again, those released by anterior and posterior pituitary are important. Coming on to thyroid, there is T3 and T4. So 3 comes before 4 and therefore 3 is more potent, 3 is more powerful. That's how you can remember. Then coming on to pancreatic hormones. Under pancreatic hormones you have alpha cells and beta cells. Alpha cells make glucagon, so alpha goes up, and that's how you can remember. So G for goes up, U for up, right? So G and U and alpha, so alpha goes up. That's how we can remember. And then beta makes insulin, so beta is responsible for insulin, and we can say beta is down. So I for is, and it's down. So that's, so alpha goes up, so that's how you can remember. So alpha is glucagon and beta is insulin. So those are some quick ways to remember some of the major endocrine glands and their hormones. For complete lectures and complete content, which you can reach onto this page and go through the complete content which is available here. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.